This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, the GME naked shorters are doubling and tripling down on the naked shorts, and the reason they're doing that is because their desperation is rising. Okay, and I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell GME. I'm just telling you that I don't see any escape whatsoever for these naked shorters. They're just doubling and tripling down on the fraud out of desperation because they can't see a way out. They're hoping to scare retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules out of the play. I mean, that's their only play right now. Their only play is to spread FUD, double down on the naked shorting, and hope that people sell at these ridiculously low prices for GME. But I don't believe that it's working. I believe that a lot of retail investors, a lot of institutions are not only holding on to their GME, I believe that they are buying more because they see the potential of GME. And I'm not talking a long way down the road. I'm talking about the profit potential in the near future. Okay, just my opinion. But once again, I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell GME. You have to do your own DD and come to your own conclusion. Anyway, here are the GME numbers. You guys know these numbers mean absolutely nothing because the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI allow these guys to create billions of counterfeit GME shares and short them into the market to manipulate the price. The evidence of this is overwhelming, yet nobody does anything about it. Absolutely crazy. Anyway, GME volume, or reported volume anyway, 6,163,104. They're still claiming 26.78% of the float is DRS. You guys know those numbers mean absolutely nothing. We could have 100% DRS and they would still find millions of GME shares to short into the market every single day, okay? And the SEC won't do anything, the DOJ won't do anything, the FBI won't do anything. And you all know why. It's because the victims of these crimes are usually retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules. 38.8% of that short volume was shorted shares, so they found 2,300,000 GME shares to short into the market and manipulate the price yesterday, yet nobody wants to ask, where are they getting these shares from? Where these millions of shares that appear every day like a magic trick, where are they coming from? Where are they borrowing them from? Where did the borrowers get them from? Nobody seems to care. Do you think they would allow this type of trading activity in a stock that the 1%ers were long in? No, they would not. Okay, they wouldn't do it. This is absolutely crazy to me. And the short exempt, 14,240, in my opinion, just further evidence of the fraud and corruption in the play. The days to cover went up to 5.55 days. I mean, those numbers mean absolutely nothing because they can just give us fugazi numbers, false numbers every single day. It's not like we have law enforcement or regulatory agencies that's going to hold these guys accountable. That's not going to happen. And they're claiming that the short interest is 11.65%. You guys know it's probably 100 times that. The bottom line is this. The GME naked shorters can't get out the play. GME is not going bankrupt. It's not going to happen. And eventually, when there's no liquidity, when all the money's gone, when the banks are telling them we need our money, they're going to be forced to start closing their GME short positions. Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.